Fellow Iskins and my dear friends, December 5 is the World Soil Day. Keep soil alive and protect soil biodiversity is the UN slogan for the year 2020. The purpose of Soil Day celebration is to raise awareness on the importance of soils for food security, agriculture, mitigation of climate change, poverty alleviation, water conservation, and sustainability of life on earth. The figure illustrates the primary layers of soil profile. The upper portion, that is the top soil, is the most important one. It is the living soil. What is soil? Soil is the top layer of the land surface of earth that is composed of disintegrated rock particles, humus, water and air. What is healthy soil? Soil health is the capacity of the soil to function as a living system. Healthy soils maintain a diverse community of soil organisms that help to control plant diseases, insect and weed pests. Soil in good condition. So what is the meaning of soil in good condition? If the soil consists of half solid material, half pore spaces filled with varying proportions of water and air, and these components should interact to influence soil functions. How long? It takes 1,000 years for the formation of 1 inch of topsoil in nature. 18 to 22 tons of topsoil is lost from 1 hectare of land every year. Why soil erosion? Soil erosion is due to the unscientific agricultural practices and the greedy exploitation of the soil resources. The components of soil: 45% of the soil is minerals, 25% air, 25% water, and the remaining 5% is organic matter. The organic matter is the component that gives life to the soil. Soil types. There are different types of soils. The major soil types are sandy soil, clay soil, silt soil and loamy soil. The role of soils. The multiple roles of soil often go unnoticed. Soils don't have a voice, but they are our silent ally in food production. Life on earth. Life on earth is fully dependent on soil. Soils were supplying all our food from the very beginning of life on earth. Soil is supplying the food for the present generation and will continue to supply the food for the generations to come. Plant nutrition. We know that the plants are growing on soil. The plants require nutrient elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur are the nutrient elements for the healthy growth of any plant. Essential elements. In addition to the nutrient elements, essential elements are also necessary for the growth of plants: calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, manganese, molybdenum, copper, boron, zinc, chlorine, sodium, cobalt, vanadium and zinc are the essential elements. If we make a chemical analysis of plant ash, we can see that all these elements are present in the plant ash. The nutrient elements plus essential elements play the major role in the growth and development of plants. How many elements? The human body consists of the same elements. 24 to 26 elements are present in the human body. Definitely, these elements are from the soil itself. Encroaching. Without realizing the importance of soil in the sustainability of life, we are encroaching the resources of all other life, cutting into mountains, polluting the seas, rivers, atmosphere and soil, and thus we are doing irrevocable harm to our Mother Earth. Poor soil. Burning of agriculture residue. Burning diminishes bacterial population, loss of organic matter, and thus our soil is tired, injured and sick. The net result is global warming. Our soil is dying. 145 pesticides are used in the agricultural sector. 85,000 metric tons of pesticides are annually used, and thereby every hectare of agricultural land consists around 0.5 kg of pesticides, and thus our soil is dying. We are poisoning soil, water, air and biodiversity forever, and thus we challenge the existence of the coming generations. Disappearing soil. We need soils to produce food, give clothes and build homes. Soils also store and filter water, recycle nutrients. The area of fertile soils covering the world's surface is limited. Deforestation, bad agricultural practices and pollution can cause soil degradation and erosion. Soils are also trapped underground when cities keep growing in size and more buildings are made. Living in hunger. When billions of people in the world live in chronic hunger and water resources are under pressure, we cannot pretend the problem is elsewhere. December 5 is being celebrated as the World Soil Day. Soil is the most precious natural resource. The life on earth is fully dependent on soil, and hence soil can be considered as the soul of infinite life. So, soil is the soul of infinite life. Life has been originated from soil or from dust. You are dust, and to dust you shall return. That's all. Thank you.